Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put you y go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first the derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can see that negative number 2 over x next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. The integration of negative number 2 over x, we have negative number 2 ln x. Later that we put negative number 2 go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have x to the power of negative number 2. And we have 1 over x squared. So this one we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product proof of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over x squared. This one we can simplify. So we have x to the power of 1 over 2 minus number 2. So we calculate this one, and we got about negative number 3 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have like this. So this one that is about negative 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.